Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. It's a very exciting day as my bathroom is finished and I can finally share the results with you. So in today's video I will show you how the bathroom looked before, what steps have we made to renovate it, and finally the finished project. There won't be a lot of footage of us actually doing the things as this renovation literally took us few months to do. My partner and I working full time, so we're doing few things here and then where we had time off, and sometimes I was just forgetting to take my camera out and recording what we are doing. The whole renovation, from planning, plastering, tiling and even putting new plumbing in, was done by us. Okay, I mean mostly by my partner, but I was really good at supervising, drinking fruit coffee and asking hundreds of questions. The only part which has to be done by someone else was the electrics. Just for the safety reasons and law regulation, we called the electrician who changed few cables, put the new lighting in and installed the fan. We bought this house 3 years ago, and for all these years we were basically living in the same conditions as we found this house when moving in. This house is from 1930, which means it has a lot of lovely details and character, but also a lot of work has to be done to it. Few rooms are already done, which I will share with you probably in the future, but for now let's focus on the new bathroom. The condition of this bathroom is not that bad, that's why we were able to easily live in here for these few years. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's livable. The walls are covered in these plastic panels with marble effect on them. Big advantage of this bathroom is definitely the window. It gives a little bit of natural light, especially that it's not the biggest bathroom. It's also nice during warmer days as you can open it after shower and get the better air circulation. I actually didn't mind this shower as it was quite spacious and easy to walk in, but I dream about the bath. And at the moment the shower glass blocks the access to the window. As you can see, there isn't any storage space, no cupboards, no shelves. Oh, and this beautiful vinyl floor. I don't miss it at all. I will keep the doors and handles. Doors are solid wood and together with brass handles remind of the history of this house and keep its character. I started with removing the plastic panels from the wall. I'm quite good at demolishing. They were coming off quite easy. This is the only bathroom slash toilet in this house, so even that the renovation was in progress, we had to keep the shower and toilet on for as long as we were ready to install the new ones. Then I removed the glue and the wallpaper which was underneath the panels. There was actually 2 layers of wallpaper. This is how it looks like after removing everything from the walls. Some of the walls are going to be tiled, some of them just plastered and then painted. We also removed side wall from the shower and found these cool vintage, probably original tiles. The string light switch is quite popular in England. We are going to remove it and install normal switch next to the doors. This is the place where the sink used to be. The plan is to put the radiator in this place and move the sink to the opposite side. We will lock this wall down, making small corner gap perfect for sink and cabinet. And instead of shower basin, we put the bath all the way with the glass screen on this side. For quite a long time we were not sure what to do with the floor. Problem was that there were only wooden boards under the vinyl floor. The floor itself also wasn't level, so we put the new plywood big boards and leveled the floor with the special liquid mixture. This is the new corner for the sink. We knocked the wall down and put new damp-proof plaster boards. Bath was already installed and most of the walls were covered with new tiles. Ceiling is plastered. It was a big job. As you can see, there isn't straight corners. The ceiling is curved, which is super nice, but so hard to make it smooth and perfect. The light grey color you can see on the floor is the mixture we poured to make it level. It's fascinating how it works. So with the floor being leveled, we decided to use the same color tiles. White wall on the side gives the contrast and breaks up the dark tone of the tiles. The towel radiator was installed as well. It looks much better than the one before and it's also in better place. It's finally time to decorate it. As I have much more storage space now, I want to keep everything nicely organized and less cluttered. I will be keeping most of the cosmetics away and only display a few essentials and decor pieces. So far I'm doing alright and keep it minimalistic. I decided to add few tall plants to brighten the space up and give it a more cozy vibe. Now I have much easy access to the window and I can easily open it when I want. So I also don't put too much stuff on the windowsill. You won't believe how grateful I am for this space now. Place where I can relax on Sunday evening taking the bath. Where everything is so nice and fresh. Where I can add few pieces of decor which reflects my personality. And there it is. The complete bathroom makeover is finished. The cabinet and sink is from IKEA. I like that it gives a bit of the traditional vibe to this modern looking bathroom. For the mirror, I went with this mirrored cabinet with light above it. Mirror reflects the light from the window and the cabinet can fit a lot of cosmetics. As I mentioned before, we kept the old doors. I've sanded them down and painted with fresh paint. We also changed the way they open now to fit the new layout of the bathroom. So what do you think, guys? What do you think about the style of this bathroom and the new layout? Leave your thoughts down below in the comment section, or if you have any question related to this renovation, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to reply if I know the answer. I also want to thank you to my partner. I hope you're still watching it. Thank you so much for your hard work and making this bathroom looking beautiful. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram if you are interested of my daily life. And for now, thank you so much for watching, your support, and I will see you in my next video.